Hello! Welcome to my first ever Yeep Tennessee video and my first, well, not quite a VR video. Anyways, hey guys, Coco VR here, or Coco VR back online, and I will be showing you around my recording studio or whatever. Alright, so first we got the watchtower, whatever. Oh, wait. Dang. I gotta fix that. Let's see. Alright. We'll be right back. Oh, sorry. That's what the watchtower looks like from there. I'm just gonna leave the camera right over at my main office. Alright, so anyways, for that, here's the steering wheel. I know it's bad. Over there we got the eight radios or whatever you can call them, little boxes, whatever. Then we have a fishing rod, the oven, cook. Anyways, here then you will see the fishing rod with the bait. Fishing for hermit crabs. Makes exactly what you think. We're living on a boat. Anyways, I'll be right back. They'll fix something that I really need. Anyway, what? Oh. Oh, not mean to do that. Now we got the cage to catch the hermit crabs. And then, let's fix the watchtower. Coco VR. How do you want Duck GT? I guess it's now with Duck GT. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a little hint of the next video. Wait, where's the camera? Oh, not really. Yeah, right here. Let me teach you how to hold a camera. So instead of like moving it like this, I'm going to give you guys a little peek of the next video of the Deep Side and Seek. Down there. Yeah.
I'm under the water and I need help. Help me.
Do it yourself. No. Oh, also, if I had to say it, I like this update. Anyways, let's continue. We got the fishing rod. We got the oven. Then we got this huge thing that's gonna have a lot of gonna play music. That's supposed to play the music really loud so that you can always hear it. But yeah, it's not working right now.
What's not working?
Tell me down in the comments if you know how to. Then after
how to what?
How to get music? I mean,
hold a camera. Hold a camera.
All right. See. Click play. Or I don't know if that's.
So here's what you do. So you hold it like this when you're moving around. So you hold the camera. So you hold this camera, and then when you get there, you read it and pull out a different one.
We're gonna be showing.
Don't hold it on top.
We're going to be showing you the net. Ready? That's the net. How to see? Currently have a hermit crab inside it. Yeah. So then after that, that's basically it.
But where do you where's your sitting point? Like you said.
Yeah, we can add that later. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Coco VR
going offline. Subscribe.